So, this is my normal hair. It's really, really thin. Got a receding hairline. My hair started falling out in my late 20s. Actually, in my early 20s, really. And my receding hairline developed in my late 20s. And it just seems to be getting worse and worse and worse. It's so thin, you can just see that like hair is just going to fall out all the time, and I'm really insecure about it. When I go out in public, I try and style it so that I can cover my receding hairline the best I can, but there's still kind of no way to hide it. I use all different products to try and thicken up my hair and make it look thicker, but nothing really works. And then I found Lordhair, and basically what I do now is I started with one of their wigs and absolutely fell in love, and it made me feel so much more confident. So what I do, what a lot of people do, is they actually shave from here all the way up here. So shave the entire thing off and they'll glue it, the wig, down. But you don't actually have to do that. So what I do is I basically will put the glue in and around my hair and put the wig on, and then you can actually just shampoo it out. It doesn't ruin your normal hair and it doesn't ruin the wig's hair either. This way it means that I can have all different looks. I can change the look whenever I want to, so I actually have longer wigs, shorter wigs, different colours. It depends what I want to go for the day. You can leave it in for as long as you like, or you can take it off every day. Also, when I'm home alone, I kind of just don't put the wig on and I just let my hair breathe. But it's really, really simple. You just put the nail glue. So this is just simple clear nail glue that washes off with any shampoo. Just gently wash your hair and the wig will come off with it. Now I actually put the glue in the hairline. I know where this is going because I've done it so many times, so I know where the wig line is. But yeah, you just kind of trace along the hairline so that the wig sticks down. I put a little bit of glue in the crown of my hair, which is also thinning out. There's not much hair there anymore. And I put a little bit more on the front because the nail glue tends to dry pretty quickly. So now what I do is I grab my wig, flip it inside out gently, and then I put it on where I want it, push it back, push everything down where I've glued it. Perfect. And then you can style it. So you can style it with product in it. I do sometimes I don't. The hair's quite thick, so going from having such thin hair to having such thick hair, sometimes I feel like I don't need product to actually style it. But yeah, sometimes I'll wear it up. It's so nice, it's so cool to see my hair without seeing the receding hairline. And we'll push that forward. Sometimes I wear it all the way to the front. Yeah, just kind of depends what look I'm going for the day. But yeah, so this is my kind of medium-sized wig. So I've got another one that kind of comes down here and I push it all the way back. Yeah, but you can wear it whichever kind of way you want to. You can wear it, obviously up, so that people can see that it does all look natural, and it feels natural. It's changed my life. So basically, to get it off, all you need to do is gently wash it in the shower with shampoo, which I will show you now how to do.